We are currently making our way to the first stand. We're supposed to read the level of liquid in this burette.
Can you open it? I don't see why not.
Yeah, you see how it says like 13, 14, and then there's gonna be a point in there.
I'm thinking more like closer to 13 point, like
1.7?
1.7, 1.8.
1.8. Okay. Yeah, we could go with something like that, 13.18.
The burette was giving us a reading of the whole number, and then we also had the line for the first decimal, so we could estimate one past that first decimal. We are approaching the next station, and we're going to be measuring the airflow in the fume hood.
So it looks like there's a little instrument here that is measuring airflow, velocity per minute, fluctuating between like, let's see, that's 105, 110, 120.
In this instant, we can estimate the ones column because we have our hundreds, and then the reading gives us the tens, and then we can estimate the ones. So we could say it's like 111 or 112 or 107 or something like that. I think I'm just gonna go with 110 though. The vaniometer was giving us the 100, and we were also given the tens place, so we're allowed to estimate the ones place. And I'll put a decimal right there at the end to mark 3 significant figures, which could be rewritten in scientific notation like that. And we are approaching the third station. We're going to be measuring the length of the heat gun. Looks like we got some friends already measuring things here. Let's see what they're doing. Let's see. So we're measuring the length of this object. Looks like it's going to be somewhere close to like 21.2 or something. We can also estimate one more past 21.2 something. The ruler was giving us a 21, and then we reconsidered this to be a 3, and then I was estimating the 0 in the final place here. This is the estimated value. These are all certain. This is the third station where hold the spectrometer up to a fluorescent light in the room, find the red line, and measure the wavelength in nanometers. So what do you guys see? What's going on in there? All right, we're trying to look through this, but you can't really, you kind of see what is sort of, yeah, you can see it. Oh my God, look at the red in there. Hell yeah. Oh my God, amazing. The spectrometer was giving us a reading of 600, and then we also had the tens marked as the tick there. And so we can estimate the ones place. Here's the decimal to estimate 3 significant figures, and this is how you could rewrite that in scientific notation. All right, we're approaching the fourth station E. Read the temperature indicated by a thermometer. They're taped down. It says 19.3, yeah, something like that. Over here, this one's gonna be more like, why is this a little different? This one's like 20.1. The thermometers are different, but they're in the same location. The thermometer was giving us the tens place, and then we also had a ticker for the whole number, so we could estimate 1 decimal into that, so 3 significant figures. And the final station, marked F, appropriate. Measure the amount of liquid in the beaker. We got some purple Gatorade. This is like, yeah, 520. You get to estimate not the hundreds, but you get to estimate the tens on these ones. Because we only got hundreds. That beaker was pretty big, so it only gave us the hundreds place, so we immediately had to estimate the tens, and therefore we only have 2 significant figures here. So therefore, when I rewrite it in scientific notation, it's just 2 sigfigs. So it looks like we got a series of measurements, and looking pretty good.